Here he is again. You like your new friend, Daniel?
Yeah.
Daniel comes home from school every day and comes right outside here and asks for, where is my angry bird? Where is my little angry bird? He's a cute, handsome man. Say hi to Uncle Luke. Uncle Luke wanted to see.
Hi, Uncle Luke.
Tell him about your new friend.
This is my dad. He came from South America.
He did?
Yes.
How do you know that?
Because we're in school.
Oh, you're in school. I see. And they teach you that birds come from South America in school?
No, only this type.
Oh, what kind of bird is he?
I don't know.
Maybe he's an eagle.
He isn't.
He's awfully cute. Hi there, my little bird.
And he's hungry, Mom.
Maybe he's just greedy. Maybe he's greedy bird instead of angry bird.
Mom, he wanted, if he begged for me for, Mom, Dennis.
Uh-oh. Where?
He went inside.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, is Dad home?
Not yet.
Oh.
Hi, little dude. You enjoying your afternoon snack? So bizarre. So bizarre. Hey, Primus. Want a birdie? Come here. Come here, hot dog. Come here. Primus, come. So obedient. Good boy. Nerdo. Sit. Say hello, everybody. Look how big I am now. I'm already a big, huge doggy. Cookies? What? More cookies? Who's handsome? Who's handsome?